Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix your Autoexec not working in CS2. If you open up the console, Autoexec command and nothing happens, you see the unable to read file, then what you need to do, just quit your game, open up Steam, go to library, right click on your game, go to properties, install files, click on browse here, and then you need to go into CS2 and then go into CFG and just copy your configs. And once you're done with that, just copy them, go back to Steam apps, then go into game this time. This is CS2. Paste your configs here. And now when you open up your game, Autoexec should work. That is it. Autoexecs have been executed into the game. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.